MBA Finance 1820 batch, and today I'm here to share my lockdown diaries with you. Firstly, I would like to thank MIT Finance Forum for giving this opportunity to be a part of Lockdown Diaries episode, and I really appreciate your efforts and this idea of communicating with us. So yes, I'm really excited to answer all your questions. So let's start. I get free time only on weekends because on weekdays I have work, and well, on weekends I cook sometimes when I really feel like, or I feel like to eat something really amazing. Then or I go to terrace and for a nice walk and with my earplugs on, listen to nice music. Connect to all my school friends, college friends. I talk to them daily. On weekend. So yeah, this way I pass my free time all day, and there is nothing specific as such. It depends upon my mood, and it keeps on changing every day. Throughout my college life, I didn't do any certification, and I realize it now that I should have done something. So in this lockdown, I enrolled for one online course, online certification course that was in an app called Udemy. And it was on Microsoft Excel beginner to advanced course. This was because the organization where I work, they work on a lot of Excel work papers, so I had to brush up my skills on Excel. So I enrolled for it, and I would really suggest you guys to visit Udemy app. There are many other interesting courses on a very nice offers, and you can choose your your interested field according to your requirement. I got placed with a firm called Deloitte US India Private Limited. Yes, one of the big four firm. I got placed last year in the month of August, and I'm working with the firm since last 2 months. The profile which I was offered was US taxation, and this is for the first time for Deloitte as well that they are working remotely. So talking about the experience, the work from home experience has also been really great. Deloitte has always cared about employees' well-being, so they have made sure that every employees are getting their laptops delivered at their place. All the training sessions and all work conducted online only, and all the faculties, the training faculties, they have made sure that all the employees are getting the US tax concepts very clear. And all I can say is that I'm really blessed to be a part of Deloitte family, and I really look forward to work with the firm for years ahead, and I just hope we can join office very soon. In this pandemic, we have observed that the job situation has experienced a downfall. But what I feel is that if a person has an optimistic and a positive attitude towards this situation and put some extra effort and hard work, they'll really get some amazing opportunities coming their way. I think post-lockdown, I would love to visit Pune once, because I feel that it was a really incomplete goodbye that was bid to Pune. So I just hope that I visit my college and with my friends and relive all the moments once again and complete all those things which we had planned that we would do in the end of our MBA life. So yes, that would be one major thing that I would love to do post-lockdown. It would be, I guess, household work is not at all easy because I feel like we think household work karna kya hi badi baat hai and all that, but I guess it is one of the most difficult job to run a house and do all household. One good thing about the lockdown was that I got a chance to relive my summer vacation, because the first 3 months of lockdown was full of indoor games, and used to play carom with all my family members. I used to play carom, cards, ludo, video games and whatnot. It was all about just chill, play, have food and sleep. That's it. So it was actually, reliving the childhood summer vacation for me. Yes. I did my internship from an export-import firm in my hometown, and they taught me how export and import financing works and how various risks are mitigated through various process. So the duration for the internship was 2 months, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I learned a lot of things from my mentor there. I had my best 2 years in MIT, and I have made lots of beautiful memories in the last 2 years. So I think describing them in few words, it will really is not sufficient because I can talk non-stop. But I think one of my favorite memory would be the International Immersion Program to United Kingdom. I would like to say that I never thought that I would ever visit a foreign country, but thanks to MIT for organizing such amazing international immersion program. The way they have managed, and be it starting from visa application process to landing to Manchester airport, everything was so well managed, and the whole trip was so different and so interesting. Be it our MBA essential program in college, the way the faculties over there conducted all the activities, and all the students of MIT, we had actively participated. So yeah, that would be one. And we also got a chance to visit London City. So it was so great. I never thought that I would visit a place which I used to see just in movies or on a television. But walking around streets with friends and gazing the beauty of the city was really for me, it was a kind of dream come true to visit a foreign country with my friends. So yes, that is one favorite memory of mine. And I think one fun fact for the international trip would be, I am glad that a college decided the correct time to visit, because if we would have been late by a week or so, we would have been stuck there, because we landed India on 29th Feb, and I think in the March 1st or 2nd week the international flights were banned. So yes, we are glad that we reached on time in India, and by God's grace everybody had a safe and amazing journey. One advice from my side would be, learn how to balance your college life enjoyment and studies. I think a college life is meant for both, and it's not just studies and not just enjoyment. A balance of both is really, really important. And also for the placement, I would say that whichever company you sit in and whichever interview you face, I would just say that do it wholeheartedly and not just for the sake of doing. And I'm sure that if you perform and give your 100%, I'm sure you're just going to get that company in your way. Yeah, that's it. Before I conclude, I would just like to thank you guys for reaching out to me for this lockdown episode. And all I can say that just be focused in your studies, and also at the same time enjoy your college life to the fullest, because you're not going to get back this time again. And stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy.